Chevra, look who I met over here. He came to my house. Wow, what an honor. Chaim from Noam Shabbat, Chevra. We're gonna do what we saw all over, and Baruch Hashem, I'm zoiche to do it. We have a schiyah to have him come to our house and install it. Let's go.
Exactly, let's go.
Let's go. Less than 15 minutes later, and he's done. Chaim is done.
Now you can drink
Unreal.
fresh, cold, room temperature and hot water all the time, and also in Shabbos.
Wow, so tell me a little about the machine. I bought it because I heard so much about Noam Shabbat, how good it is. From my relatives, my friends, they said, Chaim, you must get it, and here we are, we got it. But tell me about it.
This is cold water. Really cold and fresh, room temperature water and hot boiling water. By the way, we have safety lock button for kids.
Wow. Now, so it works Shabbos mode. So what's the mile of Shabbos mode? Let me hear a little about it.
It's really simple. 1 hour and 10 minutes before Shabbat, the machine moving to Shabbos mode by itself. You don't need to do anything. It's moving, you have a program, it's moving by itself to Shabbos mode. And 1 hour and 10 minutes after Shabbat, basically after Rabbeinu Tam, is moving back to the week.
So it knows by itself, you don't have to tell them anything.
And I want to show you, I'm going to do manually. I want you to see something. That's how the machine look like in Shabbat. Wow. Shabbat Shalom and big candles.
Shine with candles. So it's freezing. How many levels is there? Just freezing cold?
Freezing cold water, hot boiling water, and room temperature. Fresh, tastes really good.
This is crazy. This is crazy. I mean, I'll tell you what I had till now. Let me show you. Till now I had this urn. So I was always busy filling it up. Literally, my kids, Baruch Hashem, take bottles all the time. So every day, every second, I have to fill up the whole thing from scratch. A whole balagan, a mess.
And also, this is really, really dangerous and people don't know.
Really?
This is from model. It's really, really dangerous if kids just touch it or Chas v'shalom, I don't want to say even.
Right.
Spill,
This is a stable machine. It's strong. It's not budging from air. Doesn't move. It's strong. It's beautiful also. Look at the look. Look at the look. I've kept this.
It's a beautiful machine. Everybody told me that it's a beautiful machine, by the way.
Who designed it? It's really nice Israeli design.
Jewish, Israeli.
It looks like the Israeli stones, the white
Yiddish,
stones from Israel, the yiddish stones. So Chevra, this is a no-brainer. Freezing cold water, room temperature water, hot water. Never have to refill it. It gets refilled by itself.
Never. You don't need to buy bottles anymore.
No bottles.
No, to put them in the fridge to check before Shabbos. Hey, put the urn on Shabbos, fill up with water. You don't need to do anything. You just need to drink fresh, cold water, hot water, room temperature, and everything.
It's connected. It's connected to the system, to the house, to the.
Over here, it's really simple. I installed over here. It took me 14, 15 minutes.
I said 15 minutes, you were done.
Yeah, because there is water from the fridge. Really, really simple installation and really easy.
Crazy. Wow. Chevra, I'm telling you, this is a no-brainer. I'm happy I did it. I finally did it. Chaim, what is the Perlowitz promotion? Wherever we go, make a Perlowitz promotion.
Really good promotion. $249 for the installation for free.
For free?
Free.
Installation is free when you mention Perlowitz.
Exactly. If you want to buying the machine, you're getting free installation, technician, right away to your house for free.
Wow. Okay, Chaim, I'm going to put the phone number on the screen, Chevra. WhatsApp, call, text, and you'll have a technician by your door. Who's the technician you're getting, Chevra, by the way? Great guy, comes down, friendly geschmack, chick-chock, in and out with this, in with this. Look at the look, look at the beauty. The geschmack of cold water, hot water, Shabbos morning, a coffee in this hot water with this good machine. That's it. It's just a no-brainer, Chevra.
I can say one thing. After 2 months that you're going to have the machine, you're going to talk different. You're not going to understand. You're going to ask yourself why I have this, why I'm drinking from bottles, how I have this, exactly.
It's unreal, it's unreal. All right, Chevra.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chaim, for coming out to Master installing this. The Queen 7, beautiful machine. We're going to put the phone number on the screen like we said. Check it out and send me pictures. I want my Chevra to send me pictures when they install into their houses. And we'll post it on the status. Chevra, let's go. Wir machen die erste Cover, du. Wow. Wow. Unreal magic. Geendigt refilling and filling up. Machen sich jetzt voll the urn for Shabbos mit das. Ein Geschmack, eine heiße Cover. Wow. Chevra, this is it. Noam Shabbat. Noam Shabbos. Beautiful, beautiful, elegant. Chevra, check it out.